Hello children, welcome to Aksharda Public School Science Learning Platform, and this video is for grade 5, and this video is based on the mind map presentation and the chapter the environment. Before going to discuss the topic with the help of mind map, we shall look at the learning outcomes. At the end of this video, you will be able to define the term environment and ecology, list the effects of air and water pollution, explain how the use of pesticides leads to pollution, describe how we must take care of our natural resources. So here is the mind map and the topic the environment. First, we start with the branch to define the term the environment. Everything that surrounds and affects a living thing form its environment. So, living things interact with each other and with the environment. The study of the relationship between living things and their environment is called ecology. Scientists who study ecology are called ecologists. The next branch deals about air pollution. Air pollution occurs when small chemicals or biological substances are released into atmosphere. Substances that are causing pollution are called pollutants. Air pollutants can be in the form of liquid droplets, solid particles, or gases. Air pollution leads to many problems such as diseases, global warming, greenhouse effect, smoke, acid rain, and the destruction of the ozone layer. The next branch deals about water pollution. Contamination of water by harmful substances which affects life on earth is termed as water pollution. So, we'll see how water will be get polluted. Due to human activities, our water is getting more and more polluted day by day. Household garbage is disposed into various sources of water. Many people perform their domestic activities like bathing, washing clothes and utensils, etc. in these sources of water. Also, industrial waste are discharged into the water, leading to water pollution. Consumption of this polluted water leads to diseases like typhoid, cholera, and dysentery in human beings. Next, polluted water also affects the aquatic life. Thus, we need to make sure that we do not pollute water. The next branch deals about soil pollution. Soil pollution is when there are changes in soil caused by adding unwanted or harmful materials or even pollutant. Soil pollution can have dangerous effects on all living organisms such as humans, animals and plants. Let's see some of the causes of soil pollution. One is throwing garbage, and very bad overuse of pesticides and fertilizers. Plants absorb the pesticides and fertilizers through the soil and they can enter the food chain. Soil pollution destroys the beauty of nature. Misuse of fertilizers and the dumping of solid waste have led to the soil pollution. And here the next branch deals about the type of pollution, that is noise pollution. Noise is defined as unwanted sound. Pollution is an excessive and annoying degree of noise in a particular area. Loud noises from vehicles, machines, music and jet engines causes the noise pollution. Loud noise can damage the eardrums and affect hearing. Noise pollution affects sleep and increase the chances of having headache and stress. In this topic, the last branch deals about taking care of natural resources. So what we can do to take care of our natural resources? So here are some ideas that we can put into the practice. Use the energy that we get from the sun and from the wind to produce electricity. Regular monitoring of vehicles. That means check cars, buses and other vehicles to control the harmful exhaust gases that they give out. And we should avoid using plastic because plastic does not decay easily and pollutes water and soil. We have to reuse the objects like glass bottles, metal cans and plastic bags. And we should not use large amount of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Manure made from biodegradable waste can be turned into compost and used as fertilizers. I hope that the description and the mind map has helped you to enhance to understand the topic, children. So here is the interesting home play for you. Draw a mind map neatly in your drawing book and you have to prepare for the presentation on the same mind map. Thank you so much, children. We'll meet with another topic in the next video. Have a nice day.